How do thematic maps balance detail and generalization? Have you ever looked at a map and wondered how it can show so much information without being overwhelming? Thematic maps are a great example of this balance between detail and generalization. So, how do they manage to do this? Thematic maps focus on a specific topic or theme, like population density or rainfall. This means they do not include every detail you might find on a general map. By narrowing their focus, map makers can remove unnecessary details that do not support the theme. This helps viewers, especially K-12 students, concentrate on what really matters. One way thematic maps achieve this balance is through scale. The scale of a map determines how much detail can be shown. For example, larger scale maps that cover smaller areas can show more details. In contrast, smaller scale maps that cover larger areas need to simplify features. Choosing the right scale is essential for making sure the map is suitable for its audience. Another strategy is the simplification of features. Complex shapes and boundaries can be made simpler by smoothing lines or reducing the number of features shown. This keeps the map easy to read and prevents clutter, which is especially helpful for young learners. Classification and symbolization are also key. Data is grouped into classes, like population ranges or rainfall levels, and represented with symbols such as colors or shapes. This turns raw data into visual patterns that are easier to understand. Consistent symbols help students quickly interpret the map. Selective emphasis plays a role too. Important features related to the theme are highlighted, while less relevant details are minimized or left out. This directs attention to key information, making it easier for students to grasp the main points. Different types of thematic maps, like choropleth maps that use color shading or dot density maps that show concentration, allow for various ways to balance detail and generalization. Each type tells a different story depending on the data being presented. For K-12 students, interactive learning tools can make these concepts more engaging. Students can explore maps at different scales, toggle layers on and off, or change classification schemes. This hands-on experience helps them see how generalization affects what the map shows. In summary, thematic maps balance detail and generalization by simplifying complex geographic information to highlight essential aspects of a theme. They choose the right scale, classify data effectively, and use clear symbols. This balance makes maps informative and easy to understand, especially for young learners engaging with geography through interactive and visual methods.